In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to Wise. Here's the plan. We'll first grab the correct receiving details from Wise for the currency you want, and then use GCash's bank transfer feature to send money to those details. Keep your apps ready and follow along carefully so everything lands in the right place. Start in your Wise app or on the Wise website. Go to your balances and choose the currency you want to receive money in. Each currency has its own unique bank details, so make sure you've selected the exact one you want the funds to arrive in. On that currency's page, you'll see its bank details. Tap or click to expand them and view the full information. This is where Wise shows the important fields you'll need, such as the account holder name exactly as listed by Wise, the account number or IBAN, any routing or sort code, the bank name, and sometimes a reference or memo. Take a moment to read any notes on that screen. If Wise provides a reference, plan to include it exactly as shown. Now, carefully take note of these details. Copy them if you can, and double-check for typos or missing digits. Accuracy here is essential. Even a small mistake can delay your transfer. Next, open your GCash app and choose Bank Transfer. You'll be prompted to select a bank and fill in the recipient information. This is where you'll use the bank details you just gathered from Wise. Enter the bank name that matches what Wise shows for that currency. Then type in the account number or IBAN and the account holder name exactly as it appears in Wise. If there's a field for a message, notes, or reference, paste the reference from Wise there without adding or changing anything. Enter the amount you want to send, review any fees that GCash displays, and make sure the currency and destination details look correct. Before you confirm, pause for a quick review. Check every number, confirm the name formatting, and ensure the reference is included if Wise requires it. When you're confident everything is accurate, submit the transfer. After sending, keep your GCash receipt or screenshot handy. You can monitor the transfer status in cash and then look for the incoming funds in your Wise balance for that currency. Processing times can vary depending on the route and the bank network, so give it a little time if it doesn't appear instantly. And that's it. By using the exact bank details provided by Wise and carefully entering them in GCash's bank transfer, you can move your money smoothly from GCash to Wise.